What up, family? We doing some chow mein today. And some salmon, man. You know what I'm saying?
Big guy, watch out. They gon' feel us when we roll. They call them big guys, big guy. Okay. And we be
What up, family? What's cracking? What's cracking? Just coming back at you with another video. Notice I wouldn't turn the camera on, but I'm about to start living on this camera, so I hope you guys are ready. Big Guy Antics. I thought about changing the name to Big Guy Food Reviews, just Big Guy Cooks. I'm not sure. So you guys think I should change the name? Let me know. Try to get more traction for the channel. Get ready for next year as well too. I'm about to move into a bigger place, and I'm excited about that. Life's changing, and bigger place, bigger things, bigger responsibility. So I have a bigger kitchen, and I'll be able to breathe and cook like I used to back in the day when I first started the channel. So I'm excited about that. But the food reviews are coming back to back to back. Hope you guys are enjoying those. Those are really getting a lot of traction. But today I'm just throwing together some salmon, and I wanted some noodles, some chow mein, something simple basically, and just something different but still simple, and take us like some cheap ingredients and make them into something. So that's basically what I'm doing. So with that being said, we're gonna roll with these chow mein noodles, and I got some salmon here. Let's take you guys through it. I also got Kroger coming, so we're gonna see what the haul is for that, and kind of silo this meal for Thanksgiving to see exactly what I want to cook. I wanted to be home with family, but I can't really get there until like after Thanksgiving, but we'll see how that works out. But anywho, I pray you guys are doing well. Thank you for rocking with your boy. You're here for the first time, please like the video, but subscribe, join the family. We have conversations, not all just food stuff, but it's life and food. I mean, food is life. And it's all about conversations and love, lifestyle, just all kind of stuff. So again, thank you for rocking with your boy, and let's get to it. All right, it's nice and slow in here. Got salmon here. It's regular salmon, frozen salmon. Damn, I got the frozen salmon here. We're cooking nice and slow. Got them on a medium. I turn it down just a little bit more. I'm not in a rush. Use olive oil to coat the pan. Nice olive oil here. There's gonna be a couple of transitions here, but you guys gonna see. Make sure it's good. Make sure it's not sticking. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. This is the season I use for. I got this at the Dollar Tree, and it's nice and coating. What I like about this season is it's not salty. You can put a nice coating over it, and you still would taste the coating. You still would taste the flavor of the fish, and it still be seasoned nicely and not salty. All right, guys, I got two of these guys. Well, I actually got three. Let's see how the one looks here in the microwave. All right, okay. Oh, I didn't really realize that was in there. They had two, so they got two packs. They got this season pack, and they got the sauce pack. All right, didn't know that. All right, so that's the noodles I'm gonna use. Just amping them up. Not bad. Okay, now you're gonna take these and just let them cool off a bit. You're gonna take them for a little stir fry bath, a little soy sauce, and that's it. It's a little bit, not much at all. It's not much because it's already nice and seasoned. It will be nice and seasoned. So it's nice. All right. Not bad at all. About the consistency I like. All right, nice and easy. So I bought 3 of these things. So we just cooking. This is not really formal. This is really informal. We're gonna take this, we'll make this guy up too. Okay. Instructions there. Go ahead and take those packs out. Then add your water and go 5 minutes, and then add your seasoning. All right, guys, the first part of this cooking, this salmon is done. I'm gonna blacken it. I put some more seasoning on it. I'm just gonna add a little Old Bay to it, and we're gonna put it in the air fryer till later finish blackening. A little Old Bay on it. little bit, not much. That should be good. You guys add a little butter on top of each one of them, and then we're gonna put it in the air fryer. All right, guys, 360 for 5 minutes. We're gonna check on it, and if it needs to go a little longer, we let it go a little longer. All right, guys, quick and easy. Got the pasta to the side right here. Got my pan hot. Bam. Throw that in there. Okay, you got the seasoning that came with the pack. There's that seasoning on it. You have to put all of it on there, just enough. A lot of times these things have a lot of salt on it. Stir them up. Like a stir fry. Actually, it's stir fry. Crisp them up a bit. Stay on high. This one came with some sauce. You put a little sauce on there as well. Get that sauce in there. It's like a little garlic sauce. You can add vegetables. Really go crazy. Stir fry, add onions, bell pepper, all kind of stuff. But this is just really quick. So really quick. Really quick. So basically it's done. It's done. Quick, easy meal, cheap meal. After you get your noodles where you want them, you can just add you some veggies. I probably shouldn't add that water in there, but hey, it is what it is. Add some veggies. And then toss it up. Sorry. Just went with broccoli this time. I had already steamed the broccoli. It was still pretty firm. Well, not that firm, but it was cooked. All right. All right, let's plate up. Plate up. Okay. All right. And you add your salmon on top. Sorry, I'm all over the place. You add your salmon on top. And then you go with a bit of Parmesan cheese here. Not so much. Okay. And that's it. Something quick, something easy. It looks like it came from a book. So you can always add more sauce to it as well too. It's something quick and easy, guys. Boom, boom, boom. All right? Got Kroger. Got the one Kroger came the same day. I forgot they were coming. So I figured I would go ahead and order some Thanksgiving stuff. And just in case it's crowded at the stores, so I figured I'd go ahead and get it started. So, Thanksgiving turkey. I got this turkey for like $10. How big this turkey is. That's my hand. This camera doesn't do it justice, but this is a big turkey. It's a Dakota Young turkey for $9.98. It's a 15-pound turkey. Then you gotta have the sweet potatoes. This is smoked turkey. Gotta have the smoked turkey. Let's show you. Smoked turkey next. Pay about $3 for those. Grits. Evaporated milk. Vanilla. inches. All right, guys. Yeah, just some shopping. I'm not gonna go through all this stuff, but yeah, I want to go ahead and get some stuff in. So prepping for Thanksgiving, and see what I'm gonna cook first. So got potatoes here, the cornbread dressing. This is the base to the dressing. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this stuff all together and out of these bags, and we're gonna go from there. So turkey necks, pay about $3 for those. Ritz, evaporated milk, vanilla, lemon juice. All right, guys. Yeah, just some shopping. I'm not gonna go through all this stuff, but yeah, I want to go ahead and get some stuff in. So prepping for Thanksgiving, and see what I'm gonna cook first. So got potatoes here, the cornbread dressing. This is the base to the dressing. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this stuff all together and out of these bags, and we'll go from there.